Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Could you help me tidy up my room?
Could you help me tidy up my room?
I've already finished my homework.
I've already finished my homework.
May I have some extra time, please?
May I have some extra time, please?
I'll do it right after this.
I'll do it right after this.
That's not what I meant to say.
That's not what I meant to say.
I need a short break.
I need a short break.
Can we talk about it later?
Can we talk about it later?
I forgot to turn off the light.
I forgot to turn off the light.
I'll take care of it.
I'll take care of it.
That sounds like a good idea.
That sounds like a good idea.
I don't feel like doing it right now.
I don't feel like doing it right now.
Please give me a moment.
Please give me a moment.
I'm getting ready for school.
I'm getting ready for school.
Let me think about it.
Let me think about it.
I'll clean it up. Don't worry.
I'll clean it up. Don't worry.
I understand the lesson now.
I understand the lesson now.
Could you explain it again, please?
Could you explain it again, please?
I'm confident about my answer.
I'm confident about my answer.
I need help with this question.
I need help with this question.
May I borrow a pencil?
May I borrow a pencil?
I've completed my assignment.
I've completed my assignment.
I made a small mistake.
I made a small mistake.
I'm ready for the test.
I'm ready for the test.
I'll try my best.
I'll try my best.
I'm improving every day.
I'm improving every day.
I enjoy learning new things.
I enjoy learning new things.
This topic is very interesting.
This topic is very interesting.
I'm proud of my work.
I'm proud of my work.
I need to concentrate.
I need to concentrate.
Excuse me, may I pass?
Excuse me, may I pass?
I'll practice more.
practice more.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
I really appreciate it.
I really appreciate it.
That's very kind of you.
That's very kind of you.
I'm sorry for the trouble.
I'm sorry for the trouble.
Let's take turns.
Let's take turns.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me.
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
I see your point.
I see your point.
That's not fair.
That's not fair.
Let's solve it together.
Let's solve it together.
Can we be friends?
Can we be friends?
I didn't mean to hurt you.
I didn't mean to hurt you.
I respect your opinion.
I respect your opinion.
I feel excited about today.
I feel excited about today.
Let's share.
Let's share.
I'm a bit nervous.
I'm a bit nervous.
That made me happy.
That made me happy.
I feel disappointed.
I feel disappointed.
I need some quiet time.
I need some quiet time.
I'm feeling confident.
I'm feeling confident.
I'm trying to stay calm.
I'm trying to stay calm.
I feel proud of myself.
I feel proud of myself.
That surprised me.
That surprised me.
I feel relaxed now.
I feel relaxed now.
I feel much better.
I feel much better.
I was worried about it.
I was worried about it.
That made me smile.
That made me smile.
I feel motivated.
I feel motivated.
I'm feeling grateful.
I'm feeling grateful.
Let's play together.
Let's play together.
That game is challenging.
That game is challenging.
I'll go first.
I'll go first.
Let's try something new.
Let's try something new.
Let's make the rules clear.
Let's make the rules clear.
I almost won.
I almost won.
This is so much fun.
This is so much fun.
It's your turn now.
It's your turn now.
I'm getting better at this.
I'm getting better at this.
That was amazing.
That was amazing.
I need a short break.
I need a short break.
Let's do it again.
Let's do it again.
Let's work as a team.
Let's work as a team.
I enjoyed playing with you.
I enjoyed playing with you.
That was a close match.
That was a close match.
I'm feeling hungry.
I'm feeling hungry.
May I have some water?
May I have some water?
This tastes delicious.
This tastes delicious.
Can I help in the kitchen?
Can I help in the kitchen?
I'm full now.
I'm full now.
That smells really good.
That smells really good.
My favorite food is this.
My favorite food is this.
I need a snack.
I need a snack.
Let's eat together.
Let's eat together.
I prefer fruit.
I prefer fruit.
I'm ready for dinner.
I'm ready for dinner.
This is too spicy.
This is too spicy.
I enjoyed the meal.
I enjoyed the meal.
It's time to wake up.
It's time to wake up.
I'm running late.
I'm running late.
I need to get dressed.
I need to get dressed.
Let's hurry up.
Let's hurry up.
I need to organize my things.
I need to organize my things.
It's bedtime now.
It's bedtime now.
I'll be ready in a minute.
I'll be ready in a minute.
I learned something new today.
I learned something new today.
Mistakes help us learn.
Mistakes help us learn.
I can improve with practice.
I can improve with practice.
I'm proud of my progress.
I'm proud of my progress.
I accept the challenge.
I accept the challenge.
I'm learning from my mistakes.
I'm learning from my mistakes.
Let's help each other.
Let's help each other.
I'm happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you.
We did a great job.
We did a great job.
I appreciate your help.
I appreciate your help.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.